Hello everyone. Welcome to this lecture on character class. A character class matches a single character out of a list of possible characters, and it is denoted by opening and closing square brackets. Here is the list of all possible character classes. The first one is XYZ within the character class. It matches X, Y or Z. The second one is A to Z within the character class. It matches any lowercase ASCII letter. Note that when hyphen is placed between any two characters, it will match any character between them. Next one is capital A to Z within the character class. It matches any uppercase ASCII letter. Then we have 0 to 9 within the character class. It matches any single digit. After that, we have A to Z, capital A to Z, 0 to 9 within the character class. It matches any lowercase or uppercase ASCII character or any single digit. Then we have hyphen AZ within the character class. It matches a literal hyphen A or Z. Note that when hyphen is placed as the first or last character inside the character class, or if it is escaped with a backslash, it will match a literal hyphen. At last, we have caret X inside the character class. It matches any character except X. When caret is placed as the first character inside a character class, it becomes a negated character class. It will match all the characters except those which are inside the character class. Now let's explore these concepts in Jupyter Notebook. Let's create a variable text and assign it the string to call the police dial 100. If you want to extract all the uppercase characters in this text, you can take the help of character class. Let's write the pattern. Write pattern1 equals within the character class A to Z. This pattern will match any uppercase character. Now let's use the findAll function. Write re.findAll and within parenthesis pattern1 comma text. Now run this cell. See that you have got a list which contains all the uppercase characters in the text which are T and P. You can also extract all the lowercase characters in the text with the help of character class. Let's do it. Let's write pattern2 equals and within the character class lowercase A to Z. Now use the findAll function. Write re.findAll and within parenthesis pattern2 comma text. Now run this cell. See that you have got a list which contains all the lowercase characters. Now let's take the help of character class to extract the digits 1, 0, 0. Let's write another pattern. Write pattern3 equals within the character class 0 hyphen 9. Use the findAll function. Write re.findAll and within parenthesis pattern3 comma text. Run this cell. See that you have got all the digits which are present in the text. If you want to extract the number 100, you can take the help of quantifiers which we will discuss later. Now let's discuss some more examples. Let's write the words crack, C-R-A-C-K, comma, again crack but this time K-R-A-C-K, again write C-R-A-C-C and the last word is KRACC. Let's make this line a comment. Note that in all these words, the first and last characters are either C or K, while the remaining three characters are R, A and C. If you want to write a single pattern that matches each of these words, you can take the help of character class. Let's do it. Write def followed by the function name. Let it be evaluate text and within parenthesis write text Text is the string which will be matched. Now write the pattern. Write pattern equals. The pattern will start with a character class with C and K, followed by R, A and C, and then another character class which again has C and K. See that C and K within the character class will match either C or K, then the pattern will match R, A and C, and at last C and K within the character class will match either C or K. Now let's create a variable x and assign it the search function. Write rd.search and within parenthesis pattern comma text. Now use the conditional statement. Write if x followed by colon print match found. Else print match not found. Now let's call our function. Write evaluate text and let's first evaluate CRA-CK. See that match found has been displayed. Now let's evaluate all the remaining 3 strings. Just copy this line, paste it here and only change the strings. First write KRA-CK and again paste the code and this time write CRA-CC, again paste the code and this time write KRA-CC. Now let's run this cell. See that match found has been displayed for each of them. In this lecture, I have discussed some very important concepts relating to character class. Please practice these concepts. Till then, thank you.